Okay, the lesson you're going to be doing today is a pixel over percent problems is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, just the basic ones. It's one of those problems where you'll get a picture. It's not as an exciting picture as some of them, but at least you'll know if you're doing the problem right. Okay, let's do a few examples. They're going to give you problems like 20% of 10 is blank. Okay, this is problem one. And I did put a calculator link above that if you want to use that. Okay, 20% of 10 is blank. Okay, what I would do, I would have a whiteboard on half screen and have the problem on the other. Okay, that's just me. I know some of you like to use paper and pencil. Okay, but one way or the other, you need to be writing things down because you can't do these in your head. Okay, 20% of 10 is. Okay, let's do that problem. Okay, think of is over of equals percent over 100. And then I'm going to start reading this expression. 20% of 10 is what? Okay, so I'm going to put the numbers in the right place. 20%, that's the percent number on the top right, of 10. Okay, of's on the bottom left. Okay, is what? Okay, the is number is the unknown. Okay, so that goes on the top left. And then 100 is always on the bottom right. Okay, so I just need to solve this. Okay, to solve this proportion, okay, we did it a longer way earlier in the year. Maybe just kind of do it the shorter way for this lesson if you want to. Okay, you know 100 times x has to equal 10 times 20. So the trick is multiply the 10 times the 20. You can do that in your calculator if you need to on some of these. 200. So multiply the two numbers you know in your wings, and then divide by the number that kind of is lonesome in the other wings. See that 100 and x, there's only one number in that wing. So that's the number you're going to divide by. So 200 divided by 100 is 2. Okay, so that means 20% of 10 is 2. Okay, so I'm going to type in 2. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, if I type in 2, push enter, you've done these. You'll get part of your picture. Okay, let's do, there's 3 types of problems here. Let's do the second type. See if I can erase just the work and leave the images. Okay, let's do this one. Problem 6. Blank percent of 25 is 15. Okay, part over whole is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, so just going left to right, blank percent, the percent is the unknown, of 25, the 25 is the of on the bottom left, is 15, okay, is the part, okay, that's the is on the top left, and 100 is always on the bottom right. Okay, so solving 15 over 25 equals x over 100. Okay, we know that the cross products are equal to each other, so I'm going to take 15 times 100, the numbers that are in the wings that have both numbers within the wings. Okay, that's 1,500. Take that 1,500 divided by the lonesome 25 in this wing. Okay, 1,500 divided by 25 is 60. Okay, 60. So it's 60%. Okay, I'm going to blow it up. Okay, I'm going to type in 60. And I don't think you have to put the percent sign, but let's see. Okay, yeah, don't put the percent sign in. Just type in 60, push enter, you get another part of the picture. Okay, so you're doing these all the same way. You're just typing in the answer using is over of equals percent over 100, part over whole equals percent over 100. But I'll do one more in case you need to see the third type. Okay, let's look at the first problem down here on the bottom. 20% of blank is 15. So you're just going to go left to right. 20% of something is 15. Okay, 20%, 20 is the percent number on the top right, of what? Okay, the of number is what you don't know, which is on the bottom left. So that's the x, is 15. 15 goes on the top left. Okay, 100 is always on the bottom of the second fraction. So we need to solve 15 over x equals 20 over 100. We know that 15 times 100 must equal the same thing as 20 times x. So we're going to take 15 times 100 and get 1500. And then take that 1500 divided by the lonesome 20. Okay, and that gives us 75. So that means 20% of 75 is 15. Let's blow that up. Type in 75, enter. Okay, did we get a third part of the picture to show up? Hmm. 20%. It could just be that the internet's slow. Let's make sure we didn't make any mistakes. We set it up right. We took 1500. No, we did it correctly. Okay, the pieces were on the bottom of the screen. We couldn't see it. Okay, we did it right, guys. Okay, it was just the purple pieces that came up were on the bottom of the screen and I couldn't see them. So I thought there was a problem with the lesson. Okay, a few word problems there at the end. For the word problems, instead of is over of equals percent over 100, okay, think part over whole equals percent over 100. Okay, just do the very best you can on this. You should get a picture. Again, not quite as exciting as some of them, but at least you know you're doing the problems right if you get the picture. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.